Hello.
Hi there. Welcome to the Daily Grind. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'm looking for a coffee, but I'm not sure what you have.
We have many options. Do you like black coffee or something with milk?
I prefer coffee with milk. Do you have lattes?
Yes, we do. A medium latte is $4.50.
That sounds good. What about sizes?
We have small, medium, and large.
I'll take a medium, please.
Great. Would you like anything to eat with your coffee?
Yes. What kind of pastries do you have?
We have fresh blueberry muffins, chocolate croissants, and plain bagels.
How much is the chocolate croissant?
It is $3.25.
Perfect. I'll have one, please.
Sure thing. Anything else for you?
Do you have fruit?
We have fresh fruit cups for $2.50.
I'll take a fruit cup too, please.
Excellent. So that is one medium latte, one chocolate croissant, and one fruit cup.
Yes, that is correct.
That will be $10.25 in total.
Great. Are you accepting credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
I have my card here.
Perfect. You can tap it on the machine.
Thank you. Done.
Payment accepted. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this for here or to go?
It is for here, please.
Great. Do you want a seat by the window?
Yes, that looks lovely.
I will bring your order to your table in a moment.
Actually, can I also have an espresso for my friend?
Of course, a single espresso is $2.75.
Okay, add that too, please.
No problem. That adds $2.75 to the bill.
Do I need to pay again?
Yes, please. You can just tap your card again.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you. I will have that ready for you.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Are you visiting from out of town?
Yes, I am visiting from New York.
That is a wonderful city. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. I will.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I am a tourist here. Is this the right way to the subway?
It depends on where you want to go. What is your destination?
I want to visit the Empire State Building.
That is a great choice. You are very close to the subway.
Oh, that is good news. Is it a long walk?
No, it is only a 5-minute walk from here. Do you see that big red sign on the corner?
Yes, I see the sign. Is that the entrance?
Exactly. That is the station entrance on 34th Street.
Thank you. Which subway line do I need to take?
You should take the yellow line, the N or the R train.
Do I need to buy a ticket at the station?
Yes, you can buy a Metro card at the vending machine.
Is it very expensive?
A single ride is $2.90.
Can I pay with my credit card at the machine?
Yes, the machines accept credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
That is very convenient. How often do the trains come?
The trains arrive every 7 to 10 minutes.
Should I take the train heading uptown or downtown?
You need to go downtown towards Brooklyn.
How many stops until the Empire State Building?
It is only 2 stops from here.
Will it be crowded on the train?
It can be busy, but it is a short trip.
Is the subway safe during the day?
Yes, it is very safe and very popular with tourists.
Do I need to change lines at any station?
No, the N train goes directly to the area.
Is there a map inside the station?
Yes, there are maps on the walls and near the entrance.
What if I get lost inside the station?
You can ask the staff at the booth for help.
Are there elevators if I have heavy luggage?
Some stations have elevators, but this one has stairs.
That is fine. I only have a small backpack. Should I tap my card when I leave the train?
No, you only need to tap your card when you enter.
That is good to know. Thank you for your time.
You are very welcome. Are you here for long?
I am staying for 1 week in New York.
That is enough time to see many famous places.
Yes, I plan to visit Central Park tomorrow.
That is a beautiful place. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you so much for your kind advice.
It was my pleasure to help you today.
Have a pleasant afternoon. Goodbye.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Hello, good afternoon. Are you open for ticket sales? Hello, yes, I am. How can I help you today? I need to buy a ticket for the subway, please. Certainly. Are you looking for a single ride or a daily pass? What is the price difference between those two options? A single ride is $2.90. And how much is the daily pass? The daily pass is $8.25. I think I will use the subway often today. In that case, the daily pass is a better value for you. That sounds like a good idea. I will take the daily pass. Great choice. Will you pay with cash or a credit card? I will pay with my credit card, please. No problem. Please insert your card into the machine. Should I enter my PIN after inserting the card? Yes, please enter your 4-digit PIN and press Enter. Done. Is the payment successful? Yes, it is. Here is your pass and your receipt. Thank you. Is this pass valid for all subway lines? Yes, it is valid for all subways and local buses, too. That is very helpful. Do I need to activate it? No, it activates automatically the first time you use it. Where do I go to enter the subway platform? You can go through the turnstiles right behind you. Do I swipe the card or tap it on the reader? Please swipe it through the reader at the top. Is there a map showing the train routes here? Yes, there is a large map on the wall over there. Can I get a paper map to keep with me? Certainly. Here is a pocket-sized map for you. Thank you. You are very kind to help me. You are very welcome. Are you visiting the city? Yes, I arrived yesterday for a short vacation. How are you enjoying New York so far? It is very exciting, but I am still learning the routes. Do not worry, the subway is easy once you understand it. I hope so. Do the trains run late at night? Yes, the subway operates 24 hours a day. That is very convenient for tourists. It is indeed. Do you need any more information? No, I think I have everything I need for now. Great. Remember to keep your pass in a safe place. I will keep it in my wallet. Thank you again. You are welcome. Have a wonderful day in the city. Thank you. I hope you have a nice day too. Enjoy your ride on the subway. Goodbye. Thank you for the help. Goodbye. Take care. See you later. Have a safe trip. Thanks. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello, welcome. Are you hungry for a hot dog?
Yes, I am. Everything smells delicious.
We have classic hot dogs, cheese dogs, and spicy sausages.
What is the price of a classic hot dog?
The classic one is $4.50.
That sounds like a good price. What about the cheese dog?
That one is $5.75.
I think I will have the classic hot dog, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything on it?
What do you have for toppings?
We have mustard, ketchup, onions, and relish.
I would like some mustard and onions, please.
Perfect. Do you want any ketchup as well?
No, thank you. I prefer just mustard and onions.
No problem at all. Anything else for you?
Do you have any cold drinks?
Yes, I have water, cola, and lemon soda.
How much is the water?
A bottle of water is $2.
I will take one water, please.
Sure thing. That will be $6.50 in total.
That is very affordable. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, I have a card reader right here.
Great. I will use my card.
Please go ahead and tap your card on the screen.
Done. Was the payment accepted?
Yes, it was approved. Thank you.
You are very welcome. How long will it take?
It will be ready in just 1 minute.
That is very fast. Thank you.
Here is your hot dog and your water.
Thank you. It looks very tasty.
Enjoy it. Be careful. It is quite hot.
Thank you for the advice. Is it okay to eat here?
Yes, there is a small table right there by the cart.
Perfect. Thank you for your help today.
It is my pleasure. Are you enjoying your visit?
I am having a wonderful time in New York.
That is great to hear. Do you have any other plans today?
I am going to walk to the park after this.
That sounds like a very nice plan.
Yes, I need to walk a bit after this lunch.
Enjoy your walk and have a lovely afternoon.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
You are very welcome. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Thanks.
Anytime.